Hey there, I am about to throw together a quick beef soup. I've got the ground beef browning over there on the stove already. To that, I am going to add beef broth. I've actually got 2 cans. So I'll be adding 2 cans of beef broth along with the 1 pound of ground beef. I'll be adding 1 block of cream cheese. I will be adding 1 can of Rotel diced tomatoes and green chilies. And I am actually going to also add to it a bag of cauliflower. I sometimes use cauliflower rice, but today I think I wanted just some bigger chunks added to it. So this is going to come together rather quickly once the ground beef is ready, and then everything else will just be added to a pot all together to simmer and come together into a delicious pot of soup. So that's what I'm going to be throwing together. I will be showing you the steps along the way, and then of course the finished product. So follow along with me. Okay, this is coming together nicely in my opinion. All of the seasonings, our cream cheese, our cauliflower, our diced tomatoes, as well as the beef broth. So I'm just going to continue to let this simmer for a bit on the stove. I like the fact that it is still a bit soupy because I personally like to drink the broth. So this smells delicious, and I'm sure it's going to taste delicious. So soup is really one of my most favorite dishes, and this beef soup, which is what I'm calling it, which is really based on a recipe that I found for taco soup, which included everything that I added in except for cauliflower. So I normally would make it with cauliflower rice, and I've decided I will call it beef soup instead with the ground beef. So it looks really good. Like I said, I love to have the broth because of the cream cheese makes it nice and rich. So this is going to be a delicious meal. I'm actually going to let the soup cool and separate it probably into about 4 or 5 servings as a bit of meal prep for myself for the week, because I'm trying to get back on the bandwagon with doing the right thing and eating a little bit more keto friendly. Not that I haven't been. We've celebrated my daughter's birthday, and I definitely enjoyed cake and cupcakes over the past week or so. But this soup is going to be fantastic. So Thanks so much for following along with me. Try it and let me know what you think, all right? Until next time, folks, have a great, great day and peace.